What is up? It is Straight Up Parkour 3 back here again with another video. As you guys can see, I'm like soaking wet. It's just started storming, but we're still gonna do parkour. I know I said my toes messed up, but it's kind of feeling a little bit better. So like, I mean, I don't really care. Because remember I said nothing doesn't stop me. Because when I used to have broken, it didn't stop me. I still kept going and going and going. So it's really windy. We're gonna try to hurry up and get some clips for you guys.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost that you left behind here. When is it you decided to turn into a bitch? We used to be lower than down. Anybody that knew us would admit. Then you suddenly switch. Yeah, you suddenly switch. In all of my years, I never seen someone corrupted so clean. Lately, I'm feeling like I'm being haunted by all of these demons that I got inside of me. Deep in my arteries, don't even know the reason of pathology. Fuck it, I feel like I'm ready to blow up. I'm ready to blow up and call it a rap. You can have all my shit if it means that I see you, I don't want it back. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do, like fuck that. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't.
Well, we got back like an hour ago, but we're all getting ready and stuff. My bad, guys, if this stuff is messing up. But yeah, we got back home. It was raining a lot, and as you guys can see by that little preview thing that I put in before this video, it's like the slow-mo, like kind of like what I was showing you what it looked like. It was badder than that. Like it was storming hard, and we were just doing parkour at the park like nothing. But yeah, we were doing all sorts of stuff, and about my toe, it hurts, but like the doctor said it's jammed. So like it happened to my middle finger once. It got jammed and stuff because it got jammed when I was doing parkour because I landed on it and stuff, and it pushed in, and that's how they said with the doctor, because it's pushed in. But yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is like, I don't know, like this is gonna be like the parkour montage slash like about my toe. But yeah, when it was like a Mountain Dew can right there. It was like a gallon kind, and by the trail, it was like really big and stuff. And like I went to go kick it, but I didn't lift my feet up more, so instead of that I hit the side of the sidewalk and it really hurt. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comments, share this with all your friends. There's gonna be more stuff coming out. So far we hit 506 subscribers. So thank you guys, keep it up. And until next time, I will see you guys later.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.